everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is to me, okay? And for you, I have a review. It is, what is it? It's an AutoPromptKit review. This is the sales page to AutoPromptKit. Go check it out. I will attach the link to the sales page below my review, guys. This product is going live today on the 23rd, I think it is. Yes, 23rd of November. 11 a.m. New York time. So this is Thursday, right? Yes, all day. All right. So these are the vendors, very, very good vendors. Okay, I happen to have a very good relationship with one of the vendors, Matt Garrett. And well, they're called Prompt Core Dynamics. Okay. I don't know if you're familiar with the previous product called Neura Rephraser, which got 5 stars, the rating, by the way. It will be actually available, this product, as one of the OTOs, interestingly. But, you know, they have a very, good score. This product in particular received exceptionally good, impressive feedback, guys. Okay, and this is actually the product, Neura Rephraser. But I'm not reviewing Neura Rephraser. I'm just letting you know that it's by the same vendors, and it got the, really good feedback, good reviews from the customers, from the buyers. I did review this product, back when it launched a few months ago in September, I believe. It was beginning of September. Amazing tool, still available as one of the OTOs. But today's product, guys, let's focus on what's happening today. Okay, it's called AutoPromptKit. And let's face it, guys, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, say Google Bard, if you use Google Bard or ChatGPT, okay. 3.5 is the free version. You can use it with, these prompts, that are this, kit, sort of AutoPromptKit. It's a set of prompts that will work with any niche, any business, okay. And however whatever business you have, and you want to promote, you want to sell products, or you want to, advertise it or improve the ranking of your business, these prompts will work and help you scale up your results and your conversion rates. Because the prompts you're getting here are targeted, very, very sharp, very, very well written. And, they come from the guys who have been using artificial intelligence for quite a while, who have been in the trenches for years. Okay, they know what kind of prompt to feed ChatGPT to squeeze it like a lemon, to get the best results out of it. And at the end of the day, okay, as they might have mentioned on the sales page, okay, I'm not going to read, through it. Now you can do it for yourselves. The link below my review. But they did mention, at the end of the day, how many prompts do we need, okay, to create quality content using ChatGPT, using artificial intelligence? Not many. It's not the quantity of the prompts, it's the quality of them, okay? That's all that matters at the end of the day, the quality of the prompt. So the more sharp, the more well described, the more specific your prompt is, the better results you will get out of ChatGPT. It is free, right? ChatGPT 4 is obviously paid. I don't remember. Is it $20 a month? Something like that. 3.5 is free. 3.5, yeah. So, yeah, guys, you will get a set of amazing prompts here with this product, together with a whole course on how to use them and make the best out of them. Here you will have them in PDF version. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly scroll through. I'll explain up, obviously blur most of the content here, the master prompts and all of that, because this is the product, right? The prompts and how to use them, and you'll get an amazing bonus as well on how to take the prompts to the results with the prompts to the next level, to get the quality of the content that would just be of supreme quality. That's the way to put it, I guess. So let me show you the members area. Guys, as you log in, you will see two courses. This is the AutoPromptKit main course. This is the front end. You will have 8 lessons here. Okay, I've watched them all. This is the local course. So the front end will help you with your own business. However, if you want to extend yourself, okay, and like offer local businesses to help them with ranking, to help them sell better, whatever they offer, you can provide the service to local businesses, and they will teach you how to do that in that local course, which is OTO number 1. I will cover the funnel, and I'll explain the OTOs later, so stay for that, guys. For now, let me show you the front end, okay? So let me just click through, and we should be redirected to the content of the training course. As you can see, okay, I've watched it all, 100% finished, very cool training course, all done by Matt Garrett. He's got an amazing voice. It's always a pleasure to listen to him, and the way he delivers, explains the content is just super professional and enjoyable to the ear to listen to. It's just a fact. Okay, this is the guy, Matt Garrett. Amazing guy. I mean, we chat on Facebook whenever his launches come up. He always gives me a review access. He's always there within reach of an arm. Is that how you say it? Okay, he's always available. That's the main. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let me show you. If I click through on the first video, what you will have, check this out, guys. So you will have all of the videos then to the left here. All right. Now, under the first video is important because you will have all of the prompts, okay, and you will have them in PDF, as a PDF download. You will have them as a doc download, and you will have them as a text download. Okay, let me show you the PDF. The doc is obviously in the notepad. It will open in a notepad, I think so, yeah. But right, so that's the PDF. What you will get here, guys, basically, be aware that most of it will be blurred, but I'm just going to leave out one of them as an example. For example, here, why it will work with any business is because the way it is structured, as you can see, you will have here it says our business name, our target audience, our unique value proposition, our specific industry / niche is. And these are, you see these here, these are the placeholders. So you will have, and then later on you will have, those variables that you will need to replace with your own business, your own industry. Your business, okay? These are variables. These are just placeholders. Which you will need to fill in with accurate information about your business, okay? So later on it says also our primary product service are, and you list your services and products here. And then our current business goal is, our current competitors are, our desired customer action is, and then you fill it in here, obviously. Our desired result is what you want to achieve, okay? So you first have it clear in your mind, following this structure. You put together you write down, you jot down all of the information that is required about your business to squeeze the best out of these prompts, okay, after you've put them into ChatGPT to create the content you want, specific to your business that will describe, promote your business and all of that, to the best of its ability, I would say, okay? And then here are the prompts, guys. So the prompts will be, you will get, be aware, this will be obvious. I mean, obviously this is blurred because that's the content of the product. I cannot reveal that. But you will get here, it's 24, the last one, the 24 prompts. And as I scroll back, let me just show you the first one. So as an experienced business development manager, write, an introduction to, again, business name, your name, exhibiting our unique value proposition to the target audience. What's your audience? Newbies in affiliate marketing, local businesses. What is your target audience? You have to decide, okay? People who want to lose weight, people sick with diabetes, people who want to experiment or who want to try fasting. Exactly, you need to answer these, you need to decide here. Okay, and then there's a bit more information on how to use them, and Matt will show you in the tutorials how to run those prompts using ChatGPT one by one, as you can see, running your master prompt and reiterating of prompts or rerunning, okay, how you can sort of create another piece of content by rerunning the prompts again and making slight changes. And then he will go through all of the prompts one by one, actually, okay, and give you some golden nuggets on how to make the best out of them. So this bespoke prompts 1 to 6, 7 to, so bespoke, like custom made, right? Which will work with any business. And then 7 to 12, 13 to 27. So he will go through all of the 24 prompts. And then at the end, on how to use them using ChatGPT. And at the end, he will remind you, like in the video number, was it 7, the summary. So he says, like, even though you use artificial intelligence, okay, you always have to check facts because it's your business. You're the specialist here, okay? You're the expert here. You know the business. The ChatGPT does not know your business, okay? Mind you, by giving it as detailed information as possible, you will improve the content ChatGPT will create for you. But, it has to be specific. It has to be detailed. And do follow these prompts, and you will be, really golden. Amazing results you can get by using these prompts to, skyrocket your results and to improve, your conversion rates and take your business to another level. Trust me, amazing prompt. I was really impressed by what you can achieve by using these prompts specifically. Okay, and then Matt will also tell you try both ChatGPT 3.5 and 4. It will, create different results. If you don't have the paid version, you don't have to, but, it's interesting that ChatGPT 3 creates emojis, right? Emojis does give you emojis. Version 4 doesn't really, does it? Okay, and then, as he said here, rerun the content if you're not happy, experiment, test and fine-tune your prompts, chat names, make it easy to find previous sessions. Okay, name your chats, okay, and also save your work, because it is not guaranteed that your chats will stay in ChatGPT indefinitely, okay? Always save your work in a notepad. And Matt, does give you a reminder of it every now and again, all the time actually, throughout this course. As he said, save your work, make it a habit, that's it, okay? And in this bonus, the last section, which is, you will get the bonus prompt improver, to make the content ChatGPT creates for you even more like amazing. And, here you will have those prompts as well, the bonus prompts, I believe here at the end. Enhanced prompt output, he calls it here. Okay, so there you go. Guys, that's pretty much all I'm going to reveal about this product. Now, so the prompts, laser targeted prompts to take your business to another level. And trust me, again, it's not the quantity of the prompts, guys, with ChatGPT, with artificial intelligence. It is the quality of it. They have to be specific, detailed. They have to be, on fire. Then you can get amazing content out of ChatGPT. And now let me tell you about the funnel. So guys, the front end, the AutoPromptKit 24 prompts for any business. Again, that's exactly what it is actually. It's $27 during the launch. Then we'll have the OTO number 1, selling prompts to local businesses. How to do that? If you want to do that, you can learn that for $67. That's OTO number 1. Again, OTO number, I did mention the Neural Rephraser, right? It's an exceptionally good quality tool. Rewriter for 47. It's OTO number 2. Okay, it's this tool, guys. You see, this is the primary tool, but then you have 10 additional rewriting tools, okay, called like Benefit Boost, Analogy Architect, Empathy Engine, which will, give a different angle and twist to your text. I love this tool. I totally, love it. You can actually go and watch my review about this tool if you're curious about it. Okay, let's go back to the funnel. So I'm jumping from one page to another, but here we are. OTO number 3, in case you want the one-time lifetime buyout and commercial license for Neural Rephraser, you can do that and get it for $67 because this, the front end Neural Rephraser for $47, they may have a $10 discount actually, and you may be able to get it for $37 actually. It's an annual subscription. So be aware of that. This is annual, but if you want a buyout, you can get OTO number 3 for $67 and have it, for the rest of your life. Okay. Now, OTO number 4 is called 10-week masterclass webinar for $97. That's OTO number 4. Go read the sales pages to these upsells after you have, guys, bought the front end, the AutoPromptKit 24 prompts for any business for $27. You will be presented with the upsells. Go check them out, okay, before you say, and read through the sales pages before you say no thanks, because this funnel is actually amazing. The products are amazing, and you may actually find them quite, handy, quite useful. So, right, I believe we have come to the end of the sales, not sales page, we have come to the end of my review on AutoPromptKit. Okay, again, goes live today, 11 a.m. New York time. Go check out the sales page below my review. Okay, $27 for now is the early bird deal. Good price, amazing quality product. Which I believe you will love, okay? I really was impressed with it. Okay, guys, love you and leave you. Ciao, see you very soon.